Relax lang. Did they give you a time limit ba? 5 to 10?
5 to 10?
Oh, ba?
It's okay.
Haba. Okay, so good afternoon, guys. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of us kasi though hindi ganun nawala ang flower inside of us, nabawasan naman. So we can see naman yun from the first day up to now. Okay, so thank you sa ating mga instructors and with the help also ng ating mga classmates. Okay, so all of us has a reason kung bakit tayo nandito, why we enrolled in this class. Ako, I have a reason of course, and as I've said on our first day, I would like to engage in a sales business, to be a sales executive, and after mga 5 years, I would like to be a sales manager. And I assure you, makukuha ko yun. I believe in myself. I have faith. I believe in the people around me, surrounds me. Though enemy man siya or friends, I know na they will help me to be what I wanted to be. So, sir, 5 minutes ba talaga? Mahaba. Okay, so from the first day, kung mapapansin nyo, though sabi ni Aiza, hindi naman daw halata sa akin, but actually, sobrang nag-chill ako. Nung first na nagsalita ako dito sa harap, when I sat down, kung alam nyo lang, nanginginig talaga yung hands ko, yung lips ko, to the point na nakakagat lang ako sa kanya ng ganyan. But walang nakapansin sa inyo. Now, medyo confident na ako. Hindi ko sasabihin na I'm confident enough or super confident na. The nervous is still there. The flower is still inside me. But, kaya ko nang humarap sa inyo. And I think, kaya ko na rin humarap sa ibang tao to present, to sell myself, and to sell the products na gusto kong ibenta. So, thank you to all of you. We'll see each other again.
Yum.
Tapos ka na?
Yes, sir.